Now we change the phase because the exactness of the included angle, because our problem is the distance between two accessible point, and that distance of PQ is inaccessible for me. So we want the exact angle because of the correct result. So the first we do a repetition by the way of a right swing. Instrument left face, a right swing. Now we do the same work with the instrument left face,
Right.
left swing. Right face, left swing. You can see how the face shifting. Transit the theolite and rotate it. Now this position is called a right face of the theolite. This is face right position, and now I look through. We are on the instrument station O. Look to P. Exact bisection is yes, the exact bisection is done. Yes, now it is bisection is correct. Instrument is set up in OP line, and instrument is in a right face position, and we want the reading in left swing mode. So we want the reading in the anti-clockwise direction mode, left swing. So unclamp the upper tangent screw, then only the reading change. And we already set this instrument at 0 0, in the A scale 0 0 to P, and unclamp the upper arresting screw and rotate the instrument in left face. Left swing, right face, left swing. To watch this thing, left swing, anti-clockwise movement, left swing, taking the left swing and complete the left swing and bisect point Q. As I can see, arrest the upper plate screw. Exact bisection is done. Exact focusing is done. Yes, that is correct. Then you want to take the reading. You got a reading more than 180 degree because it is very close to the starting point. We know the first reading is around 52 degree. That means it is 360 minus 50 to the nearly, that is the reading. And what we can do, close this instrument, upper arresting screw, tighten the upper arresting screw and loose the lower arresting screw. Then what happen? Instrument is rotate, reading will be remains the same. And again look through point P and having the exact bisection. Yes, now it's on reading B. Done every work, and close the lower plate, tighten the lower plate, loose the upper plate, and rotate instrument in left swing, and again look through point Q. After done every bisection, focusing and taking the reading. That is the second repetition. Again loose the lower plate and rotate the instrument screw P, after exact bisection, close the lower plate, loose the upper plate, and again left swing, again bisect, point Q, and arrest that screw using the tangent screw and bisection. You exactly bisect the point and take the reading. Now you are complete 3 reading in left face. The average of this reading is the exact excluded angle. 360 minus this angle give the exact included angle, and you have already one 3 weighted angle. Firstly, angle POQ, then again you got a weight 3 angle POQ again. The average of this angle is the exact included angle. Then you measure this distance OP. You measure the distance OP from here to that point. You got a distance from here to that point, and from here to Q you got another distance, and these two distance and this included angle you can calculate inaccessible point PQ by using cosine formula. That is the method of solving this problem.